Let's make a plan to learn the land of our Pakistan, where the administrative units span. Come visit our country of Pakistan. Azad, Jammu and Kashmir is to the east, as you can see right here. I'm an autonomous territory. Muzaffarabad is my capital city. Gilgit-Baltistan is in the north and it's an autonomous territory. China, Afghanistan, Jammu and Kashmir border me. Gilgit's my capital, that's where it will be. I am the largest province and my name's Balochistan. Touching the Arabian Sea I spun. Quetta is my capital, hope you understand. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, touching Afghanistan I'll share with ya. There's federally administered tribal areas. My capital is Peshawar. Let's make a plan to learn the land of our Pakistan, where the administrative units span. Come visit our country of Pakistan. My name is Punjab. I am also a province, you should know. I do border India, as this map does show. Lahore is the name of my capital. My name is Sindh. I am a province, my beaches line the Arabian Sea. Located in the south of Pakistan Sea. My capital's name is Karachi. I am Islamabad, the one and only federal territory. Here is where Pakistan's capital will be. Its name is Islamabad, I know you'll agree. I'm the country of Pakistan, I'm located in southern Asia. Islamabad is my capital, you just saw. I'm glad I shared my country with all of ya. Let's make a plan to learn the land of our Pakistan, where the administrative units span. Come visit our country of